ChatGPT, like other language models, is a type of artificial intelligence, AI, designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It works using a combination of deep learning techniques, large-scale training data, and neural networks. Here's a breakdown of what ChatGPT does and why it works. Natural language understanding, NLU. ChatGPT's first major task is natural language understanding. When you input a question or statement, it analyzes the text to grasp the meaning, context, and intent behind the words. It uses a neural network to convert the text input into a numerical representation that it can process. Contextual understanding. ChatGPT takes into account not just the current input but also the context of the conversation. It remembers prior messages and uses this context to generate responses that are coherent and relevant. This contextual awareness is achieved through techniques like the transformer architecture, which allows it to handle sequences of text effectively. Language generation. Once it understands the input and context, ChatGPT generates a response. This involves predicting the most likely next word or sequence of words based on its training data. It uses probabilistic models to make these predictions and generate text that is coherent and contextually appropriate. Large-scale training data. ChatGPT is trained on massive datasets that contain a wide range of text from the internet, including books, articles, websites, and more. This exposure to diverse language patterns and topics helps it generalize and provide information on a wide array of subjects. Fine-tuning. In addition to the pre-training on vast text corpora, models like ChatGPT are often fine-tuned on specific datasets to make them more useful and safe. Fine-tuning allows developers to guide the model's behavior, make it more contextually relevant, and reduce instances of harmful or biased outputs. Continuous learning. While the underlying model's architecture doesn't change, ChatGPT can still be updated with new information or data. However, this typically involves retraining the model from scratch with the updated dataset. Why ChatGPT works. Statistical learning. ChatGPT relies on statistical patterns in language. It doesn't truly understand text in the way humans do but rather makes predictions based on patterns it has learned during training. These patterns include grammar, syntax, and common phrases. Large-scale training. The vast amount of data used to train ChatGPT helps it learn a broad range of language patterns and facts. This extensive training allows it to provide coherent and contextually relevant responses. Contextual awareness. ChatGPT's ability to remember and reference prior parts of a conversation makes it more useful for ongoing dialogues. It can maintain context and provide responses that are consistent with the conversation's flow. Customization, fine-tuning and other control mechanisms allow developers to shape ChatGPT's behavior to align with specific applications, such as customer support, content generation, or language translation. It's important to note that while ChatGPT can generate human-like text and provide valuable information, it's not conscious or sentient. Its responses are generated based on patterns in data, and it may not always provide accurate or unbiased information. Careful oversight and ethical considerations are essential when deploying AI models like ChatGPT in real-world applications.